In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can delete a user account on Windows 11. If you do find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on this video. It really does help out the channel. Say you've created a user account for someone else on your computer and now they no longer want to use it. Here's how you can remove it. First, go ahead and click on the Windows icon in the bottom of your screen and then find Settings in this section and open it up. In the settings menu right here, go ahead and find the account section from the sidebar over on the left. Open it up and then scroll down on this section until you find the option for other users. Click on it right here. And in this section, you should see a list of other user accounts on your device. As you can see, I don't have any, but you're going to want to find the one you want to delete and actually expand upon the options. Simply go ahead and click remove next to account and data, and it's going to pop up with a warning letting you know that deleting the account will also delete all of that user's data. If you're sure, just simply go ahead and click delete account and data to confirm. But that's literally it. The user account is now been removed from your PC. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below, and we'd be happy to help you out. But have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.